Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this pattern for make shawls and bandana. I use 3mm hook and acrylic yarn. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make chains 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Insert your hook into first chain. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together and make a stitch. Make chains 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over, go to this ring. Insert your hook into this ring. Stitch first round in here. Pull up yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, pull through, make 2 double crochet in here. With these chains we have 3 stitches. Make 1 chain, yarn over, pull up yarn, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 chain, and repeat. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. This is first row. Make 1 chain, turn it, go to this space, slip stitch, go to next space, slip stitch, go to here, slip stitch, and go to this space, pull up yarn, slip stitch, make 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. In here make 1, 2, 3 chains, skip this stitch, go to next space, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 chains, go to same stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. In here we made 1, 2 corners. Make a chain, turn it, go to first space, slip stitch, go to next stitch, slip stitch, go to next stitch, slip stitch, go to first corner, slip stitch, make 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Go to this space, pull up yarn, make one single crochet in here. 1 2 3 4 5 chains. Go to this corner, make corner. 1 2 3 double crochet, 1 2 chains, 1 2 3 double crochet, make a chain, turn it, make a slip stitch same as before rows. Go to corner, 1 2 3 chains, 2 double crochet, 1 2 chains, 1 2 3, make 1 2 3 4 5 chains. Go to these chains, pull up yarn, make one single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 chains. Go to next chains, make one single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 chains. Go to this corner, make corner, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 2 chains, 1 2 3, make a chain, turn it, make a slip stitch, go to corner, make chains, 2 chains, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3, make 5 chains. Go to here, make one single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 chains. Go to next chains, one single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 chains. Go to here, make one single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 chains, yarn over, go to this corner, make corner, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet, make a chain, turn it, and continue like this. I made until here like this. I show continue and make larger than this size. You can use this pattern for make shawls and bandanas. Two chains, one, two, three, 4 5 chains, one single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 chains, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 chains, 1 single crochet, 5 chains, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, yarn over, go to corner, make corner, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet, and continue.